Hello, I am Revit, and in this video I will... Kurna jego mać. Hello, I am Revit, and in this video I will show you how to unlock Keeper. Okay, start. But first, who is Keeper? I will tell you. Keeper is one of the biggest challenges, both in terms of their playstyle and how they are unlocked. Keeper uniquely spawns with coin hearts. We have coin. As you can see, it's not our hearts, which only heal when coins are picked up. By default, it is only 2, but more can be unlocked by getting deep into game with Keeper. As a benefit, they start with the triple shots, and it is very cool. Oh, nice. Okay, so now how unlock Keeper? Wait a second. Okay. Boom, boom. Nice. So cool. Unlocking them is going to take a lot of work, and once again, centers around the game, grid mode. At the end of every grid mode run, once ultra grid is defeated, a donation machine appears similar to the one in the shop. Player can deposit all their leftover coins into this machine, and it slowly unlocks upgrades for characters. In order to unlock Keeper, player must get the counter on this machine all the way up to 199 coins. Then deposit one more coin to overflow it back to 0. Okay. So it is way to unlock Keeper. So once again, player must get the counter on this machine all the way up to 999 coins. Then deposit one more coin to overflow it back to 0. And that's all. So it is reason to unlock Keeper. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you in other videos. Thanks.